Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Before creating any API, enable two-factor authentication and complete identity verification on Kucoin to secure your account. Open security settings and ensure Google Authenticator or SMS two-factor is active. Exchanges typically require 2FA. Plan a descriptive API name and create a strong API passphrase you will remember because Tradingview requires it when connecting. For safety, avoid granting withdraw permission to API keys and enable an IP whitelist, limiting calls to log into Kucoin, go to Profile, then API Management, and click Create API to begin. Enter a clear API name, set the API passphrase you planned earlier, and optionally add an IP whitelist for allowed addresses. Choose permissions carefully. Grant trade and market access for charting and orders, and avoid enabling withdraw permission. After creation, Kucoin displays an API key and a secret. Copy both immediately because the secret is shown only once and cannot be retrieved later. In Tradingview, open the chart you want and reveal the trading panel at the bottom. Choose Kucoin from the broker list and click Connect. You will see 3 fields. Paste the API key, the secret, and the API passphrase exactly as created. Tradingview uses all 3 to authenticate. After submitting, Tradingview will confirm the connection and display your Kucoin account in the panel. Verify balances and test with a small order or paper trade before committing larger funds, and revoke the API if you detect any issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.